Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I am going to solve the problems related to number system. Exercise number 1.3, second main. So the second main is, you know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.14252857 is equal to 0.142857 142857 so on. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 of are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Hint is given. Study the reminders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully is the question. So students, once again I will repeat the question here. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Hint is given. Study the reminders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully. So solution. Students, here first we need to find the division of 1 by 7. 1 divided by 7. So here 1 is less than 7. So in the quotient take 0 here. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. So it becomes 30. 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 22. 2 is remainder, it becomes 20. 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14 6. So it becomes 60. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 4. 40. 7 5s are 35. Again 5 is remainder, it becomes 50. 7 7s are 49. Again 1 is remainder, it becomes 10. See here, initial step is also 1 divided by 7. So here also 1 divided by 7. So the same digits repeats again and again. Therefore 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 14287 because here 7 1 is a 7. So again 10 minus 7 is 3. 30. 7 4 is a 28. See here 30. Then again 4 is a 28. 2 is remainder. See 30. 7 4 is a 28. 2 is remainder. So the same repeat again and again. Therefore 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. Again 142857. So on like this it will be continue again and again. But our question is, what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without actually doing the long division. So students, here we observe that reminders start repeating in the same order. So students, here the reminders start repeating in the same order after 6 divisions consequently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 after 6 divisions. So the reminders are repeating same in order. The decimal expansion goes on forever and digits in the quotient repeats after 6 digits. That is, there is a repeating block of 6 digits in the quotient. So students, here the reminders start repeating in the same order after 6 divisions. For example, 10 by 7. Okay, it is 1 by 7 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After every 6 divisions, again the reminders are repeat same again and again. Therefore, first here 3 by 7. The remainder is 3 here. It is nothing but 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is nothing but after how many division? Only one division. So we can leave the one quotient here. Start from the second quotient. That is 0.428571 42857 so on. It is the division of 3 by 7. The next 2 by 7. Because here the remainder is 2. After how many divisions 2 is the remainder? After continuous 2 divisions 2 is the remainder. So here the quotient, first leave the 2 quotient, then start from third quotient, that is 2. So 0.285714, 2855714, so on is the quotient of 2 by 7. Then next 4 by 7. See here students, so first division 3 is remainder, second division 2 is remainder, third division 6 is remainder. So third division it is 6. So here we can leave the first 3 quotients, 1, 2, 3. Don't consider three quotients. So start from the fourth quotient, that is 0.8 0.85714, 0.85714, 2855714, so on is the quotient of 6 by 7. Then after fourth division, first, second, third, first division 3 is remainder, so second division 2 is remainder, third division 6 is remainder, and for fourth division 4 is remainder. So here you can leave the first 4 digits, start from the fifth digit, 0.5714. So 4 by 7, 0.5714, 285571428, so on is the decimal expansion of 4 by 7. And next 5 by 7. See here, after first division 3 is remainder, second division 2 is remainder, third division 6 is remainder, fourth division 4 is remainder, after fifth division 5 is the remainder. So here first leave 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start from 0.7. So 0.71428557, again 1428557 is the decimal expansion of 5 by 7. See here students, decimal expansion of 1 by 7 is 0.142857, 142857, and decimal expansion of 2 by 7 is 285714, 285714, and decimal expansion of 3 by 7 is 42857, 425871, and decimal expansion of 4 by 7 is 571428 and 571428, and decimal expansion of 5 by 7 is 714285 and 714285, it's continue again, and decimal expansion of 6 by 7 is 857142, 857142. Hence it is the decimal expansion without doing the long division method. So students, next exercise number 1.3, third main. So the third main is express the following in the form of P upon Q. Express the following numbers in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So the first question is 0.6 over bar. 0.6 over bar here. Students, if there is a bar over the number, indicates that the same digits will repeat again and again. For example, 0.45 over the bar. So it indicates that the two digits will repeat again and again, 0.45, 0.45, 0.45. But in our example, there is a bar over only one digit. It is nothing but 0.666, so on. Then solution. Here 0.6 over bar or 0.666, 0.6 over bar or 0.6666, so on. It is in decimal form. So we have to convert or express this decimal form in the form of a fractional form, in terms of fractional form. Let x is equal to 0.6 bar is nothing but 0.666, so on. It is called equation number 1 here. And next, multiply equation 1 by 10. Multiply equation 1 by 10. Why equation 1 by 10? Because in our question, there is a bar over only one digit. There is a bar over only one digit, therefore multiply by 10. In case of bar over 2 digit, we can multiply by 100. Okay. Then here LHS side become 10x and the RHS is 0.66. It becomes 0.6666 into 10. So 10x is equal to 0.6666 into 10 is nothing but 6.666 so on. So here also so on is there, so on. And 10x is equal to 6.666 is split as 6 plus 0.666 so on. So 10x is equal to 6 plus, but according to the equation 1 or from equation 1 we know that 0.666 is nothing but x. Therefore 6 plus x right here, because from equation number 1, and 10x is equal to 6 plus x. Now x moves to left hand side, become minus. 10x minus x is equal to 6, and 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 6. Now transfer 9 to right hand side, is it become x is equal to 6 by 9, and 6 and 9 appears in the same table, that is 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 3, but x is nothing but 0.6 bar. Therefore 0.6 bar is equal to 2 by 3. So 0.6 bar over bar is in decimal form and 2 by 3 is in fractional form. And next, exercise number 1.3, third main, second example. So the third main, we know that express the following numbers in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. And here the second example is 0.47 bar, 7 over bar. Solution. Students, see here bar over only 7. There is a bar over only 7. Therefore it is 0.47 over bar is equal to 0.4777, so on. And let us consider x is equal to 0.47 bar is equal to 0.4777, so on. So students, here also there is a bar over 7 only, over 1 digit only. Therefore multiply 10 on both sides. Multiply 10 on both sides. So it is called equation number 1. Then the equation number 1 become x is equal to 0.4777, so on. X is equal to 0.4777 multiply by 10. So LHS become 10x is equal to 0.4777, so on, into 10. So 10x is equal to 0.4777, so on, into 10 is nothing but 4.777, so on. So 10x is equal to, students, we know that x is nothing but 0.4777, so on. So 4.777, so on, is split as 4.3 plus 0.477, so on. See here, students, 4.77 is split as 4.77, so on, is split as 4 plus 0.77, so on. And again 0.777 is split as 4 plus 0.3 plus 0.477, so on. I hope you understand, students. See here, 4.777 is first split as 4 plus 0.777, and again 0.777 is split as 0.3 plus 0.4777, because we know that 0.4777 is nothing but x. Therefore 10x is equal to 4.3 plus, it is nothing but x, because from equation number 1 we can say that x is nothing but 0.4777. So because from equation number 1. Then next, constants one side and variables one side. Here x moves to left hand side, it become minus x. 10x minus x is equal to 4.3. So 10x minus x is nothing but 9x is equal to 4.3. So x is equal to 4.3 divided by 9. Transfer 9 to the right hand side, it become division. And again here decimal is there, so we can multiply both denominator and numerator by 10. It become x is equal to 4.3 into 10 is nothing but 43. 9 tens are 90. Therefore x is 0.47 bar is equal to 43 by 90. Here 0.47 over bar, 7 over bar is in decimal form and 43 by 90 is in P by Q form or it is in fractional form.